Greek paradise Paxos. Imagine stepping onto an island where time seems to slow down, the sea is a mesmerizing blue, and every moment feels like pure tranquility. This is Paxos, a lesser-known Greek paradise that offers the beauty of the Ionian Sea without the crowds of the more famous Greek islands. If you're searching for an idyllic escape, a place where nature's splendor meets authentic Greek culture, then Paxos should be at the top of your list. As you sail into its picturesque harbor, you're greeted by pastel-colored houses reflecting off the calm waters. It's a place that calls to those yearning for an escape from modern life's hustle and bustle, where you can bask in the serenity of nature while immersing yourself in the warmth of Greek hospitality. Paxos is not a place of grand resorts or bustling nightlife, but of quaint villages, family-owned tavernas, and unspoiled beaches. Wander the narrow, cobblestone streets of Gaios, Paxos' main town, where time seems to stand still. Or visit Lakka, a smaller village, framed by olive trees and the endless blue sea, offering a peaceful haven to relax and rejuvenate. Its secluded coves and crystal-clear waters are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply lounging by the shore. Anti-Paxos, a tiny sister island just a short boat ride away, is home to some of the most pristine beaches in the Mediterranean, with soft white sands and sparkling turquoise waters that invite you to stay for hours. For the adventurers at heart, Paxos offers incredible hiking trails that lead to hidden beaches, breathtaking cliffs, and ancient olive groves. The island's rolling hills and forested landscapes are perfect for those who want to explore on foot and enjoy spectacular views of the Ionian horizon. Paxos is more than just a vacation spot, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Whether you're a beach lover, a hiker, or simply someone seeking peace and quiet, Paxos provides a sanctuary that feels like a well-kept secret. What kind of paradise are you searching for? Does Paxos match your dream island getaway?